Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you very easy chicken recipe. It's very easy to make, it's a super quick, super tasty, and it's very delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. I'm going to use boneless, skinless chicken breast. I have 5 of these. I'm going to cut these into small thin slices. And what ingredients I'm going to use with this one to make it tasty and delicious, please check it out, the description below for the ingredient list. Without wasting any time, let's get started. I'm going to place the chicken breast and I'm going to cut it into small thin slices just like this. This is the perfect size. And when we're going to cook these, they're going to taste really well. And I'm going to finish cutting all of these, then we're going to marinate the chicken. I will cut the chicken breast into nice thin slices. Get a mixing bowl. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, ground ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, olive oil 2 tablespoons, lemon 1, lemon juice of 1 lemon. We're going to mix it well. And this is our marination. All the spices are nicely mixed. I'm going to bring the chicken and we're going to mix it well. I'm going to bring little amount of food color. This is strictly optional. If you don't like the food color, then please skip it. But this will enhance the color of our chicken. So mix it well. Once all the pieces are nicely coated, it's going to look nice. Once the food color is nicely incorporated, 1 onion cut into long thin slices. And I'm going to mix it well. After mixing it well, we're going to let it sit on countertop for 10 minutes. Then we're going to cook it. So I'll let it sit for 10 minutes on countertop. The chicken is marinated for 10 minutes. We're going to mix it. Look at how beautiful, nice color came. And now let's go on gas and let's cook it. I'm going to start gas. I'm going to keep it on high, and I'll bring fry pan and I'm going to bring the marinated chicken. We are not going to add anything. We added everything. Now we're going to cook it on a high gas, so keep moving. Since we cut the chicken breast into nice thin slices, it's not going to take that long to cook it, and we're going to cook on high gas. This is how it looks after 2 minutes. So occasionally keep stirring so it won't get burned. Cooking for 5 minutes on high gas with the open lid. This is how the chicken looks. It released all the water. Keep mixing so it won't get burned. It's going to start releasing the oil. That's where we know that it's fully and nicely cooked. Cooking with the open lid on high gas for exactly 10 minutes. Since we washed the chicken with cold water, and we have 1 onion, and also we added a whole lemon juice, so it released all the water content. Now it's dried up, and if we look at our chicken itself, and if I cut it, it's nicely cut through. So chicken breast does not take that long to cook. So we're going to cook a couple more minutes until it dries out. Within 10 to 15 minutes, we have our tasty and delicious chicken ready, and it's very tasty. You can use this chicken as appetizer, or even you can make a chicken fajitas with this one, or you can use this one as a side dish. This is very tasty. Another 2 minutes of cooking. The chicken is fully cooked. If you see, there is no more water content. It started to release oil. Anytime you start to see the oil is start to ooze out, look it on the sides. So it's fully cooked. What I do normally, I cut fresh onion, I put it on the top, and I eat as is. It tastes really well. But I notice kids don't like it, so I don't add it. But please try it, and you're going to like it. So I'm going to turn off the gas. And I'm going to dish out. This is quick and easy, healthy chicken recipe. Please try it. And I'll dish out. I get my serving platter, and I'm going to take it out. Look at this. If you notice that it has a really nice reddish color, because I added red orange food color, which is strictly optional, and that brings a really outlook of the dish, but you can leave as is. Our delicious chicken is all ready, and garnished with some parsley flakes. Wow, it's a super yum. Please try it, and you're going to like it. As I mentioned, you can add fresh onion. It will taste well. You can eat as is, you can eat as an appetizer, or you can eat as a side dish. You can make a chicken fajita with this one, and they are really super tasty. So please try it, and if you like it, like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.